Welcome to 550 North Helton Road in Springville. Sitting on almost 17 acres of peaceful Indiana countryside, just across the Monroe County line in the scenic rolling hills of Lawrence County. You're less than 10 minutes from Lake Monroe, about 20 minutes to downtown Bloomington, and under 20 minutes to Bedford, so you're close to everything, but still surrounded by peaceful countryside. You can see rolling pastures and horses running freely across the property. It's a place where you can breathe deep, slow down, and feel right at home. This brick home was built with substance and style, 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and a 3-car attached garage. It's constructed with 10-inch poured concrete walls for exceptional strength and insulation. Throughout the home, you'll find high-quality Anderson windows that fill each room with natural light, a mix of tile and Brazilian cherry hardwood floors that add warmth and elegance, and deep, lush carpet in the bedrooms for comfort. The main level includes 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, along with a renovated kitchen featuring newer appliances and freshly painted cabinetry. The primary owner's suite offers a soaking tub, walk-in shower, 2 walk-in closets, and a private screened porch, a perfect place to unwind. Downstairs, you'll find 2 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths, plus a complete apartment with its own kitchen, laundry, and private entrance, ideal for multi-generational living or a spacious home office setup. There's also a large recreational area with a pool table and bar, perfect for entertaining or relaxing at the end of the day. And there's still plenty of unfinished basement storage for seasonal items and projects. The horse barn is a standout feature 32 by 54 feet, with 8-inch thick poured concrete walls and clear span trusses for remarkable durability. Inside are 4 stalls, a tack room, and a hayloft that holds up to 500 bales. A large gathering area opens directly to the fenced pasture, and there's a 100 by 300 foot outdoor arena for training or riding. Horses can be hard on their surroundings, but this structure was built to handle it, and it keeps them safe and comfortable in any weather. As you watch the horses running and grazing, you get a real sense of what makes this property special. The commercial-sized pole barn is equally impressive: 22-foot walls, reinforced 7-inch concrete floors, and 2 200-amp electrical services. It's already plumbed for a future bathroom if you'd like to add one. There's plenty of room for a large motorhome or boat, and it would be a perfect fit for someone in excavating or landscaping. It's a versatile space that blends work, storage, and possibility. From the brick home and solid barns to the pastures and views from the ridge, 550 North Helton Road offers the best of Southern Indiana country living. I'm Lesa Miller with Remax Acclaimed Properties. Reach out today to schedule your private showing of this beautiful property.